666. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you give it a thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring other people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this video and you love trains a lot, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Also, leave comments. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.